Thank you very much for this moment. I think we should observe 1 minute of silence for those who have lost their lives. May their soul rest in peace. May God bring peace and joy to the people of Benue and the community in Lewata town. Thank you very much. Please be seated. Thank you, the chairman of the Governor's Law Room and his progressive counterpart. All the other governors here present. I want to really sincerely thank all of you for the sense of solidarity, commitment, and great values that you have given today. To the man I would say I call the chief monarch, the tortive, I heard you clearly, and I've listened to your requests and your remarks. Thank you. To the men and women of the armed forces, the security forces, the police, thank you for the good job you have been doing and what you are still doing to keep our citizens safe and our country more respected. I know you've sacrificed so many lives. I've watched some of your comments, so many nights, and stay in the bush, sacrifice your time. I salute all of you. I say thank you very much. The Deputy Governor of Benue State, the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, and former Governor of Benue State, my friend George Akume. All members of National Assembly present here, members of the House of Assembly, especially the chairman of the Senate Committee on Defense and Intelligence, and chairman of our party, even though it's not for a political environment, but as an elder statesman and a peace-loving man, I'm glad you are here. This is your government too. All honorable ministers and the National Security Advisor, members of the Benue State Legislature in judicial arms of government, all other senior government officials, party faithfuls, and all stakeholders in Benue State. Please accept our condolences, ladies and gentlemen of the press. We are here not just to show our face, but to share in your griefs and condole you and ourselves for the loss of lives that are occurred. I aborted my visit to Lelewa town because of the rain, floods, and bad roads. Particularly seeing the ruins and the carnage on camera is hard enough to keep a decision. We'll do something for the redevelopment and recreation of that environment. I want to salute especially General Atopera. I've not seen you for a long time. Thank you. We arrived here today seeing gloomy faces. This is not the kind of visit I wanted. I wanted to be here to commission projects, felicitate for progress and development, for reassurance of hope and prosperity. And I've spoken with the governor privately, openly. We are here to help you with peace. It's vital to development. And you are elected under the progressive banner to ensure there's a peace, stability, and progress, so that we can come and commission projects, rejoice with you on progress, value, and things of joy. As you are not elected to bury people, create orphans and orphanages, and sympathize with widows, we work with you to achieve that peace. It is you who will work with us as well. It will show us the way. All politics is local. And you are here to point, to work with everybody, work with the peace. Not everybody will like you in politics. They hate me like hell too. But I'm here. I am the president. Another democratic regime. I made a promise. I will even protected my abusers and accusers with the principle of democracy, freedom, and prosperity. I will protect them. Abuse me all you want. You must take that. The art of leadership that dictates that you lead at this particular time. You are one in a million of the chief people of Benue, people of Iduma, and all other tribes. So walk around night and day as you do the official job. Move around the corners of your enemy. I've faced these same challenges before in Lagos. Your ability, your maturity, your divine mandate is to work hard as you pray, because you are a father to all. You don't have nucleus family of your own. You are the father to all of us, including myself, right? So it's in your hand. So what the people of Benue, they deserve the peace as the traditional rulers mentioned. Talk to you. To me, let me apologize and salute all the traditional rulers present. Thank you very much for the honor of being here. But it will have been a better day to clink glasses and rejoice in progress after seeing the people hospitalized. Governor, please announce in a broadcast for people to donate more blood voluntarily to the hospitals, and thank to those medical personnel. But for us in Nigeria, we have to find solutions to this. What's the cause of the conflict? I heard from Church Jesus about land grabbing. But if we learn how to share and how to accommodate, we have enough land to feed, to raise our children, to cultivate happiness and prosperity. We must do it. We will change that attitude of hate. We sang through the national anthem. We said, though tribes and tongues may differ, in brotherhood we stand. It must reflect in everything we do, in our character. In the economy, in sharing, in developing our people. Maybe part of the solution, NSA as you are here, is to equally find a channel, a radio station for Benue, work with them, so that we keep talking to each other about tolerance, the capacity to build our family as one single family. I salute those who have governed this state before, and particularly my friend, George Akume. We didn't have to come. We received a lot of yams and food stuff from him. Not dead bodies. Let us please find a way to form a committee of elders here that committee to comprise those who had governed this state before, including Atom Pera, to be the committee to really find a permanent accommodation. I'm glad the Minister for Livestock is here. Where are you? Okay. Thank you. We are going to establish a ranch. Give me land, Governor. Me. Land here to establish a ranch. I will share the profits after you retire. We can shake off the backwardness. Yes, we can. What's key to this? Let us look at our national anthem again. A key item in it is that we want to hand over to the next generation, our children yet unborn, a banner without stain. We must work towards that. And I'm ready to work with you on that. Peace. You can't force, you can't give us what we needed, such as food sovereignty, if you continue in conflict. I've said it again and again. We are members, as Nigerians, we are members of the same family, living in the same house, but sleeping in different rooms. Whether you are a thief or you are a Joma, you are Yoruba, you are. We have no choice but to turn this country into a nation of prosperity, unity. Fight our enemies together, not fight each other now. Governor, you get me? The yoke is on you. That's part of the problem of leadership. There's nothing. You run around. Take your lantern or torchlight when there's no electricity. Move around to see those leaders. Join them. Ask them questions. to join you and find solutions. When I face the question of others and butchers in Lagos, I solved the problem and I created economy out of it. Some groups send their parents, their children overseas to study, and they were able to pay school fees and build houses from what I created. Proud of that. We can turn this tragedy into economic prosperity. We can do it, and we will do it with you. That's very serious understanding. Tolerance level. The value of life, human life, is greater than that of a cow. And it's only when you open the door for conflict that political enemy will come in. Political enemies, they don't want you to succeed. Have you just realizing that? Governor. No matter what I do, they will still abuse me. Yeah. I read paper every time and listen to television whenever I have time. Just I watch who is abusing me and what type of abuse. I learn lesson from some of the critical ones too. Because I can't see it all. And it's from the mouth of my critics that I will, okay, that is what you do. I'm the president. I won't do it. I will preempt you. So you are a failure. You just spoke. Me, I'm a performer. That's the way it is, Governor. So the people of Benue, I just want to appeal to you. It's a very critical time. The governor needs your help. Help encourage him, embrace the peace. Let's set up that committee and let's get a committee of non-indigenous. Incorporate, and Governor of Nasarawa is here too, and Governor of Benue is here. Let's create that synergy for peace, development, and prosperity. We are here to govern, not to bury. We are here to raise families, not to lose them. Provide health care, water for them to drink, food to eat. I saw Plateau launching its public transportation again, revival. Okay, that is good. At least you are not borrowing money to pay salary now. You are able to create a good thing to happen. Governors, thank you. Let's do it. We've been fastening our belts. To give development to our country. You as leaders It's only when you make the people of your state the priority, that is when you can plan good for them and you can execute good programs. I'm glad you are here today to show solidarity from Kwara to Imo land. Hope, Mr. Diwa, thank you. Governor, you have to talk to them. Get together with them. I don't know what you people are doing next. You cannot sit down, jojo together, exchange ideas, exchange, challenges, and convert problems to prosperity. That's why we are elected. And that is how you have your second term. You get me? Please get together with those governors too. And move around. Your torchlight in your hand. The committee of leaders, let's establish that. Move on to the other side of the economy. We cannot do without one another. Whatever we need to do, I will want us to create this leadership committee now, and then we'll meet in Abuja to really fashion out the nucleus of a lasting peace. And I'm ready to invest in that peace. And among the traditional rulers, Totif and Ochidoma and others, to be included in this peace committee. I think by now you'll be bored of hearing my voice. I give you the assurance that we will find peace. We will convert this tragedy to prosperity. Again and again. Police, I hope your men are on alert to listen to information. How come no arrest has been made? I expect there should be arrests of those criminals. Christopher, thank you very much. I watch your comments. And I know you can't be tired of staying in the bush and Oloyede and Masha. Thank all of you. But we need to keep our ears to the ground Let's get those criminals. Let's get them out. So DGNIA and DGSSS, through your information channels, and let's have tangible intelligence that this will not occur again. Thank you very much. Thank you.